Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2016 66 plate Seat Ibiza. Now this is the FR variant, so you get the sportier styling, so you get the more pronounced front and rear bumpers. Now this has got the full black package on it as well, so where you'd normally get chrome on the centre grille, you get colour coded mirror caps. They're in the gloss black, and then this one's also riding on the upgrade 17-inch gloss black alloy wheels. So when you look at it from the exterior, a fantastic sporty looking vehicle. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got lower fog lamps. All the alloys seem to be in very nice order throughout. This is the 1.2 TSI engine, so very good on fuel efficiency, quite nippy engines as well, so you've got a bit of poke in the engine. We've got the tailored floor mats for the car, which were original Seat. You've got your tyre inflation kit at the bottom there, but as you can tell, the boot, it's never been used for any hard use. That's all in very nice order throughout. You've got the split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Looking at the plastic plinths, that's in fantastic order. Looking at the actual paintwork at the back, that's not been scratched, loading anything into the rear. And the parcel shelf is also present. Now looking through to the interior, the FR gets sportier seats inside. So the steering wheel is a lovely part perforated flat bottom wheel. You've got FR designated at the bottom with some grey detailing. The grey detailing follows through around the vents. And then looking at the seats, cloth black sport seats with a contrasting red stitch. And then coming through to the rear, you've got Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. Cup holders in the back there also. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. You've got automatic lights. And on the leather multifunction steering wheel, this is considered a facelift model. So basically you get your voice command on there. You can change the display up on there also. So you've got vehicle status, you've got driving data, navigation, audio, telephone, and as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 18,146 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Now, looking through, you've got cruise control there, you've got all your volume and media controls. This is a media car, so you get this lovely screen in the centre. So on this screen, obviously radio, which is a full, if you press through to band, you've got DAB on there also. Clicking through to media, obviously clicking through to source, then you've got CD navigation, SD card, Bluetooth audio, USB and AUX. So full Bluetooth connectivity. Traffic information. This vehicle is equipped with the satellite navigation, which is very easy to follow and very responsive. Climate control with air conditioning. It's a warm day here in Wigan today. This is ice cold aircon blowing at me, which is fantastic. You've got AUX and USB as well as a 12 volt power outlet found down there. Central cup holders, you've got your central locking heated rear screen, and then they come equipped with a very smooth 5-speed manual transmission. Very well suited to the 1.2 engine. I've actually had one of these cars myself. All the book packs and documentation which was supplied with the car from brand new is still in there today. Locking wheel nuts there also. The satellite navigation DVD box is there, and then this pops up and you've got your CD player as well as your SD cards found just hidden away under there. But a lovely vehicle throughout. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners, so it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. The seat bolsters seem to be in very nice order throughout, so looking at those, very minimal to nowhere, to be honest, on those. Obviously, as I mentioned, we've got the original tailored floor mats. Looking at the door shuts, obviously the seat belt's never been catched in the door shut. You've not got any sort of major scratches down there, as it is quite a wide sill, that. But a nice car, and one I would have happily owned myself. If you'd like anything further on the vehicle, please do get in touch. you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment, we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily reserve the vehicle for you whilst you're travelling. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.